So you're thinking about getting into some freeze-dried food for long-term storage and prepping. Let's start here. Before we get started, I want to thank all of my Patreons. The Patreons support all of the things that I'm trying to accomplish, the people I'm trying to help, and the things I'm trying to do. Once again, thank you for your support, and I hope you watching this video will think about becoming a Patreon. So if you know anything about me, I do not plan to survive, I plan to thrive. It's really that easy. I do have some other long-term freeze-dried food storage, and I was looking, maybe I'll get some more. The prices are actually coming down, and some of the companies are actually becoming very affordable. So I figured I would start at what's local, and that would be at the local Walmart, and they sell these little buddies right here. This is going to be my lunch today. Chicken fried rice, 13 grams of protein, add water, ready in 10 minutes. It's actually 9, and no extra cleanup unless you're really messy. So yeah, we're going to give that a shot. Getting into the nutritional value, so basically it says that it's 2 servings, 300 calories per serving, and we're just going to follow the preparation instructions on the back. Reading the instructions: open package at tear notch, remove and discard oxygen absorber. Why? Those are delicious. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that the actual notch is way low, but I'm also feeling the fact that I can reseal this like a Ziploc bag. This packaging is Mylar, but it feels like it has a coating over it that is very like paper-like, so it makes me wonder if that's like a plastic coating over the top of the Mylar. So let's rip it open. Give it a little shake. Rips kind of clean, I guess. Nobody's perfect. That's really ugly. Okay, so that's the way it ripped. So we're gonna look inside, and we're gonna just take a look inside, and we're gonna take this delicious tidbit out. Do not eat, because why? All right, so it looks like I got some dehydrated meat in there. It's got some, looks like some rice and some vegetables. I mean, it looks legit. It doesn't, it smells like hot dogs. Weird. Okay, so what's our next step? Our next step is carefully add 1.5 cups of boiling water. Great, now I got to get the boiling water. Okay, so yeah, I already had the water boiling and ready. So all I have to do is carefully measure 1.5 cups. It's one of these lines here. There we go, 1.5 cups. All right. Here we go. Boom, perfect. What's our next step? Carefully add 1.5 cups of boiling water. Carefully adding 1.5 cups of boiling water. Okay, and then stir. And yes, I am a camper. And yeah. If you guys know anything about the current metal shortage or titanium shortages, you can actually get these spoons right here. I'll put a link down below. I just bought these myself. I like the polished ones, but for only $13 for 2 8-inch titanium spoons. Super awesome, super cheap. Okay, so we're gonna stir, and you need the longer spoons too if you're gonna be eating out of bags, that's for sure. Otherwise, you're gonna end up wearing most of it. So it looks like that's a good stir. It's kind of sloshy looking. That's what it looks like, all right? And then we're gonna close the bag per the instructions. All right, it closed, okay? And then wait 5 minutes, stir again, and reseal. I guess I'm waiting 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
So 5 minutes has came and went. Let's pop this sucker open and see what she looks like. Okay, she's looking, I'm seeing a lot of hydration in there. It's looking better. So I'm supposed to stir it. I'm gonna stir it. And then we're gonna reseal it. And we're gonna wait. Oh, close, there we go. We're gonna wait another 4 minutes. And there we go. Time to eat. I guess let's take a look at it first. And open it up. Still feels hot. All right, so that actually looks reasonably edible. It still smells like hot dogs. All right, now for the real test. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I gotta clean my palate out. Make sure all I taste is the food. Gotta use my Nefarious spoon. Yeah, these things are awesome. All right, I'm gonna take a little, make sure I get a little bit of everything in there. Let's see. It's bland. Like, really. I'll try again. Let me try more. Let me try something else. All right. Third time's a charm. I think I got a mushroom. There's got to be some flavor in here. Oh. No. Okay, so my first thoughts on the food, thought it was a little bit expensive. It's basically a little over $9 for a single pouch. God forbid you actually spent money in large quantities on these things. I would never even camp with these. I've never even used these before. They're really that bad. I do not recommend that you ever go and buy that in that flavor. I'm going to give that caveat, in that flavor. It tastes nothing like chicken fried rice. Not any way, shape, or form. I don't even know what flavor that is. That's why if you're religious, God invented hot sauce. If you're not, that is why man invented hot sauce. Really, really bad. Now, is it palatable? Yes. Could you eat it in a survival situation? Yes. This whole bag would be 600 calories. But it really makes me wonder about secondary effects. If you don't know that is the secondary effect of you putting something in your body and gaining nutrition from it, is that it gets rid of the stuff that's bad. And sometimes these freeze-dried foods have secondary effects that you do not want anything to do with. Now, some of the other things that I noticed about the packaging was that it says that it contains milk, soy, and egg. So if you have a problem with any of those, definitely do not recommend them. I don't recommend them at all. It says the best buy date is April of 2052, so basically 30 years. So in 30 years, if you're really hungry and you want to eat something that has like no flavor but smells like cheap hot dogs, that's it. My only positive experience from this entire thing is the use of my new spoons. I really like the polished ones, but they're more expensive, and I can get 2 of these for the price of 1. And if you don't know how expensive titanium is now, there's a link down there. Don't do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit that link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol, the join, or the letters. It doesn't matter. And just hit, and that'll get you started. It's only $3 a month, and I tell you what, it is money well spent, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than buying stuff off my Amazon page. Okay, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you when I see you. Bye-bye. For the bonus content, hey, my girlfriend bought me a whole buttload of these different flavored hot sauces. I like this one right here, Smoky Bourbon. No, I don't sell this stuff, but I figured, what the hell? Let's give it a shot. There we go. And this thing doesn't have a shake in, so yeah, you got to be careful. Anyway, all right, we're going to give that a mix. It's like it. No, I can smell the Smoky Bourbon. All right. If you're a grunt, you know exactly what I just did. Let's see. Nope.